Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make 5-minute egg fried rice with shrimp and Chinese sausage. Let's prep our ingredients. The full recipe will be in the info box. I cut all the vegetables and sausage the same size, then cut the shrimp in half so they all cook quickly and evenly. The key to fried rice is making sure that your rice is nice and dry. I laid mine out on a cookie sheet for 2 days in my fridge so it could dry all the way out. I'm portioning everything out on a plate. This is the way that I've always done it in a restaurant because when you cook on a wok you need to be ready because everything cooks so quickly. Here I'm going to whisk my eggs and season them with salt. Give me a thumbs up and hit the like button if you like my one-handed egg cracking skills. Let's start with 2 tablespoons of peanut oil in the wok and then add our eggs. We want to stir this around and just get the eggs to cook about 3/4 of the way and then just set them aside. You don't need a lot of oil when you cook in the wok because you can always add a little bit more as you go along. With our wok ladle, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of peanut oil and then add our Chinese sausage and cook it until it turns golden brown. Next we're going to add our shrimp to the wok. There should be enough oil left over from when we cooked our Chinese sausage, and this will impart a nice flavor into the shrimp. As I was cooking the shrimp, I noticed that they were a little dry, so I added a touch of peanut oil to the wok. Set the shrimp aside and add the vegetables to the wok. Season them with a little bit of salt now so we don't have to season later. Add another teaspoon of peanut oil to the wok. If you look at it now, it's really nice and smoky. This is called wok hay or breath of the wok. This is where all that flavor of stir fry comes from. Now we can add our rice and start mixing. If you notice, the rice isn't sticking to the wok. That's because of 2 things. 1, we have a well-seasoned wok, and 2, we're cooking on high enough heat that it can't stick. I also don't recommend adding chicken stock or oyster sauce to your rice because it's just going to make it too wet. Keep moving the rice around using the bottom of your spoon and tossing it in the air. You got to remember that your heat source is directly on the bottom and it is pretty hot, so that's where it's going to burn. Add everything back to the rice and give it a few tosses and we're ready to go. And there you have it, 5-minute egg fried rice with shrimp, Chinese sausage, and vegetables. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Leave me a comment if you guys want to see more Asian dishes. Thanks for watching. See you next time.